Good morning, sunshines, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing my typical laid-back morning routine with you all. So, the first thing I do after opening my eyes and stretching a bit is get on my phone and see if I have any text messages, check my email and social media accounts. It was actually my brother's birthday on this day, so you'll see a lot of posts for him on my Facebook timeline. After checking my phone, I slip on my cute unicorn slippers and make my way over to the bathroom. During this time, I freshen up a little, wash my face, and put my glasses on. Afterwards, I head out to my kitchen and make breakfast. Homemade blueberry muffins is what's on the menu this morning. These are the best blueberry muffins I have ever tasted, in my humble opinion. I have gotten so many compliments on these muffins and have even been told that you can actually feel the blueberries burst in your mouth with each bite. I'm going to post the recipe and instructions on how to make them down below in the description box if you want to make them yourself. In the meantime, enjoy this montage of me baking. For this part, you're going to want to hand stir the blueberries in versus using a mixer. That way you don't smush the blueberries. After filling your muffin tin up with the blueberry muffin batter, top your muffins with more blueberries. This is what's going to make your blueberry muffins a real hit. While those are baking, I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up the kitchen. I am a very tidy person, so whenever I am done in the kitchen, I make sure to get it back to looking spotless. I'm putting away all of the ingredients I use for this recipe, wiping down the counters, KitchenAid mixer, and refrigerator. And now to fill up the dishwasher. Does anyone else find cleaning relaxing? After I get the kitchen all cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and make our bed since I have a few more minutes to spare. I'm the type of person who doesn't like getting into bed at night if the bed hasn't been made. If I ever waited that late to make the bed, I would seriously make the bed before I got in it. So making the bed in the morning is a top priority in my daily routine. And now that the muffins are done, I'm going to pull them out of the oven. OMG, how delicious do these muffins look? I told you that the blueberries burst in your mouth after each bite. Now to enjoy my blueberry muffin. You guys probably think that I have coffee in my unicorn mug, and nope, no coffee here. I'm actually not a coffee drinker. Once in a while I'll enjoy a latte, but today I'm drinking orange juice. This muffin is amazing! I give it a thumbs up. And there's my adorable son, waving and blowing kisses. He's so cute, I just want to squeeze him. He wanted Daddy to wave too, so there's my handsome hubs enjoying his muffin. After I'm done with breakfast, I head back to the bathroom where I'll be brushing my teeth. I am now applying this tooth whitening pen. You put it on after brushing your teeth and then wait 30 minutes before eating or drinking. This just helps to give you a brighter and whiter smile. Now I'm getting ready to take a shower, so I'll see you all soon. When I finish with my shower, I apply my Bath & Body Works 1000 Wishes lotion. I love this scent. It has a warm floral scent, perfect for those cold winter months. I'm pairing it with the matching body spray now. I also use the shower gel. I love layering matching scents together because the more you layer on, the longer the scent lasts. I learned that working at Victoria's Secret. Now I'm going to be applying one of these Biore nose pore strips. This is just going to unclog any pores, dirt, oil, and blackheads. Next, I'm going to be applying this rose gel face mask. This face mask helps soothe, smooth, Let's try that again. This face mask helps soothe skin to diminish redness. You're going to leave both of these on for 10 minutes before washing off. After those 10 minutes are up, I'm going to be peeling off the nose pore strip first. It doesn't necessarily hurt, it's just a tad bit irritating when pulling it off your skin, but it's good to clear out any dirt or blackheads from my nose. Next, I'll be washing off this rose face mask. I did notice that my skin was so soft and even brighter after applying this mask. After drying my face, I'm going to be applying my favorite face moisturizer by Pond's. This is a Clarent B3 Dark Spot Correcting Cream. I've been using it for years and I absolutely love it. Now I'm going to be applying my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I've also been using this product for a couple of years and love it. It leaves my hair shiny and soft, frizz-free. It also helps to detangle my hair. Running a comb through my hair now and getting ready to blow dry it. Sometimes I like to pretend I'm having a fake photo shoot with my hair blowing in the wind. That is the hair dryer. Who else does this? I know I'm not the only one. Thank you all so much for watching my laid-back morning routine. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you guys next time. Bye!